Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef MMN, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this super delicious bell pepper fried rice. The ingredients I'll be using are chicken, onions, have here some crushed garlic, curry powder, carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and I have some blended habanero and Scotch bonnet pepper mixed together, bullion cube and salt. I have my vegetable oil and sesame oil, and of course I have my basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I'll go ahead and season my chicken properly first by adding my onions, pepper, bullion cube, and leave it to marinate for a while. In another pot, I go in with my onions and garlic and stir fried for a while before adding in my peppers. Stir, stir, stir. Go in with my curry powder and add my washed basmati rice. It's already washed, and toast it a little bit. Then guys, after marinating my chicken, I cooked it before frying it, then adding my chicken broth into my rice and some water. Then go in with my bullion cube and salt, and I flavor this a bit, and I add in some thyme to season it more. And then go in with my sesame oil. And guys, my rice is ready. I set it aside. In another pan, I go in with my vegetable oil, adding my onions, my garlic, and stir. You can also add ginger. Then add in my bullion cube. I go in with my carrot and stir. Carrots takes a little longer to cook, so you stir it first before adding in your bell pepper. But before I add in my bell pepper, I add a little habanero pepper. Then I add in my bell peppers. Combine this together, and my veggies stir fried is ready. And guys, my bell pepper fried rice is almost ready. This rice is so delicious, super delicious. Try this and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Join this Shapla family. We have amazing recipes to share on this channel. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. Please don't forget to click the like button so that others will see this video. This bell pepper rice is easy to make and super delicious. You can have this for your dinner, you can have this for your lunch, You can use this for your kids' lunch pack, and yes, our bell pepper fried rice is nicely plated and paired with chicken drumstick. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.